Elementor discount code limited time offer. First of all, let's navigate and open a web browser that you use for searching. Once you are in, use the search bar to find the Elementor discount codes. Once you get the search results, find a website that provides the best deal on Elementor. Once you find the website, tap on the URL to open the website. Here you will find different deals and offers that provide discounts, such as up to 90% off on Elementor. Select one that you find best and a pop-up will appear on the screen with the discount code. Simply copy this code and then tap on the shop to open the Elementor website for subscription. Log into your account, and when you are going to purchase a plan, apply the copied discount code for a discount on total amount. And that's it. This is how you can find Elementor discount codes and best deals in 2025. I hope this video is helpful for you. For more information, please subscribe our YouTube channel, and thank you for watching.